Dear students, welcome back to your education channel Learn and Educate, where we were studying Code of Civil Procedure 1908, under which Section 144 Application for Restitution, where and insofar as a decree or an order is varied or is reversed in any appeal, revision, or other proceedings, or is set aside or modified in any suit instituted for the purpose, the courts which passed the decree or order shall, on an application of any party entitled to any benefit by way of restitution or otherwise, then such shall cause the restitution to be made as a will, in so far as the place the parties in the position which they would have occupied, but for such decree or order or such part thereof has been varied, reversed, set aside, or modified. So, where a decree or an order is varied or reversed in any appeal, a revision, or other proceedings, and is set aside, such an order or a decree is set aside, such an order or decree is modified in any suit instituted for the purpose of an appeal, revision, then the court which passed the decree or order shall, on an application of any party entitled for any benefit of restitution or otherwise, cause such benefit of restitution to be made as will, place the parties in the position which they could have been occupied, but because of such a decree or an order which has been varied, reversed, or set aside, such a decree has been varied, set aside, such order has been reversed, set aside, or modified, and for this purpose the court may make an orders, including orders upon the refund. The court shall make an orders for the refund of the cost, for the refund for the payment of interest, the court shall make any order for payment of damages, for payment of compensation, and the mesne profits which are properly consequential on such variations, reversal, setting aside, or modification of the decree or the order. Mesne profits are the sum of money which is paid for the occupation of land to a person with the right of immediate occupation where no permission has been given for occupation. Explanation for the purpose of subsection 1. The expression court which passed the decree or order shall deem to have, the court which passed the decree or order shall be to include the decree or an order which has been varied, the decree or order which has been reversed in the exercise of an appellate or a revisional jurisdiction, the court of first instance. When the court of first instance have passed the decree or the order which has varied, reversed by exercising its appellate or revisional jurisdiction. B. Where a decree or an order has been set aside by the separate suit, then the court of first instance which have passed such decree or order, where the court of first instance which has passed such decree or order to set aside the earlier suit and set aside the decree or order by passing a separate suit, then such an order shall be mean to the court which have passed the decree or order. C. Where the court of first instance which has ceased to exist or which has ceased to have jurisdiction to execute it, where the court of first instance which have ceased to exist or which have ceased to have jurisdiction to execute it, the court which, if the suit wherein or the decree has been passed, shall were instituted at the time of making the application for restitution under this code would have a jurisdiction to try such suit. Then the court wherein the decree or order were passed were filed at the time of making the application for restitution under this section would have jurisdiction to try such suits. Subsection 2. No suit shall be filed for the purpose of obtaining any restitution. No suit shall be filed for the purpose of obtaining any restitution or other relief which could have been obtained by an application under subsection 1. Thus, no suit will be filed for the purpose of obtaining any restitution. No suits shall be filed for the purpose of obtaining any other relief which could have been obtained by making an application under subsection 1. An application is made under subsection 1 for a relief for a benefit of the restitution which could have been placed in a position for the purpose of modification or setting aside the order, including the orders for refund of cost, for repayment of interest, damages, compensation, and mesne profits. Thank you for watching.